What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. That was pretty good.
Right? I know you.
So, we had to cut part 2 short because we just had too much exciting footage, so we're getting back into it now.
Wait till you see this.
It's pretty exciting. We're getting on to some of the really final details, so make sure you hit subscribe.
Stay tuned, because you said hit subscribe.
Stay tuned.
Always start your day with a jelly donut. I think the most underrated donut, solid donut.
I do not eat those because this body's a temple. We got a lot of this bench done here. You can see we've got the Decorator's Tundra cascading down waterfall edge. We're waiting on a couple more boards that are getting delivered today so we can finish up the backs and the bottom of the bench here. But right now I'm gonna start working on this sweet privacy screen. Houses are pretty close together here, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna block it up. We're gonna give a little bit of privacy here. We've got 2 hideaway screens going in, so I'm gonna build a frame out of 4x6s. They'll fit right in there. We'll stain them black. It's gonna look really sweet, and show you how we get it done.
I set it up perfectly right on the spot.
I'm gonna pre-build this thing and then put it up in the opening, so might as well build it right next to where it's going. Because we're dealing with this porch, which is a little bit out of level, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this work here. So our bottom measurement was 87.5. That's what this is cut to. Now the top was 86.75, so it's 3/4 of an inch out over the whole span. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. 86.75 divided by 2, 43 3/8 is our halfway point. Yeah, this way we're gonna split the difference of that unevenness on both sides. So that's why I'm measuring from the center. We're gonna have, that's gonna be the center of our center 4x6. So coming off of that, our screens are 36 inches wide. I'm gonna go 37 7/8, so it gives us 1/8 of wiggle room. The screens don't have to be super tight, and we don't want to force them in there. That's going to be our one post. And do the same thing here. Boom. There's our center post. And then that 3/4 of an inch difference is going to be split on both sides, so it'll be super not noticeable. Not noticeable at all.
It will be unable to be noticed.
So now we pre-build this thing. We got to cut the verticals. We can assemble it. We can get it up there. We can stain it, and then we'll put the screens in. What do you got there, Catherine? Nice.
Classic glaze.
It's important to fuel up.
The classic glaze. Thanks, Tom.
Just using some 6-inch lags here to get through this. All right, it's not gonna be that heavy. Oh God, this is gonna be heavy. This is gonna be nice though.
Locked in for justice.
Now we just gotta get it up here. It's gonna be pretty heavy, but I think it'll be all right. Oh, tool belt tip. When you get a new tool belt and you're sizing everything up, always leave a little extra slack on the belt, because when it's cold out and you put on a little winter weight as well, I can't fit a jacket under this and still buckle it up. So make sure you leave a little extra room, because you never know what the future holds. But for most people, it's usually a couple extra pounds. But I'm flipping the script on that. I'm getting in shape. Pedal time, baby.
Can I help, or is it like way too heavy?
It's not that heavy. I can probably do it by myself.
Should have built it up here.
Up here? That would have been smart, yep.
How tight did you make the clearance?
Pretty tight, yeah.
How tight did you make the clearance?
Pretty tight, yeah.
Really?
Which clearance? Side to side?
Vertical.
Oh, vertical? No.
Ah, okay.
It's gonna be, we're gonna have blocks underneath in the center of the screen.
Ah, okay.
Top and bottom. About 2.5 inches. What?
What about side to side?
Yeah, pretty tight.
Alright.
Yeah, pretty tight clearance.
And you took that measurement before you installed that deck board?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, so now it's an inch. Oh,
I'm sure
God.
you probably factored that in, but I don't.
Let's see what Daddy's got. Oh, God. Nah, it's fine. Beautiful. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's good stuff. All right.
Go grab the ladder, I got this.
Look at that. Easy. See, you guys. Whoa!
How do you make February, March?
You.
You can, but April, May.
Did you hear about the new law in Hawaii?
No, what is it?
You can't laugh loudly. All they permit is aloha. Got our little privacy frame here sanded and stained, and now we're getting ready to mount those privacy screens. Super easy installation. Just comes with these little L tracks. Screw those onto our frame. Panel's gonna fit right in there. Screw it on. That's it. Do the next one. Privacy wall, all done here. I love these hideaway screens. This is the Breeze pattern, perfect combination of privacy, but also leaving it open so it's not too closed off. Let me show you what we got done on the rest of the deck while we were getting this in. Nice bench seating. This is probably my favorite detail on this project and one of my favorites that we've ever done because it makes this small space so functional. We've got seating for at least 15 people right here, and we've got some really cool details, especially where it connects to the bar. We've got these mitered right down, folding down the edge. I think especially from right here, it just looks awesome, super modern, and just clean, crisp and clean. Speaking of crisp and clean, check this out. We've got our field boards looking like they just fold right up this bar face. I freaking love that look. It's one of our signature details. We've been doing it a lot. And now we're on to the real finishing touches, which is the landscaping. So let me show you what we got going on there. See, one of the last things that we're doing here, putting in this Techo-Block edge block. We always like to do this around our garden beds. Just gives it a nice finished, crisp edge. It's also gonna help with maintenance so you don't have mulch spilling out of your beds. So we're finishing this up. You see, we're gonna need to do some regrading here because existing grade, a little bit above our landing. So we're gonna take care of that tomorrow. Then right here.
What's that?
This right here?
Yeah, what is
this
that?
is Techo-Block Blue Grande HD2 Shale
wow.
Gray, baby.
Where are we gonna put that?
Where are we gonna put this?
Yeah.
I was just actually gonna talk about it. I can't believe you
how about
were wondering
that?
at the same
Yeah.
time. We're gonna put this down at the bottom of the steps as a nice little landing. Yep, nice comfortable landing. So we've got a couple of these gonna go down. It's gonna transition right into a garden bed. We're gonna do some arborvitaes.
Ooh, love arborvitaes.
They're great. We're gonna finish this up and
You need help with that?
no, I don't want it. It is. I'm pretty grande myself, actually. I've been working out. So we're gonna get these at the bottom of the landing, get some plants in here, a little bit of lighting, and that's gonna finish this project off. But you're gonna have to wait for the final time lapse to see all of that stuff come together. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.